Today, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok UK account using a VPN, which can help you earn money through TikTok's monetization programs. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install a VPN app on your phone or computer. I recommend using VPN name as it's fast and secure. Step 2. Connect to a UK server using your VPN. This will give you a UK IP address, which is required for a TikTok UK account. Step 3. Download the TikTok app and sign up for an account using your new UK IP address. Step 4. Fill out your profile information, including your name, username, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password and a unique username. Step 5. Add a profile picture and bio. You can upload a photo from your camera roll or take a new one. Step 6. Once your account is created, you can apply for TikTok's monetization programs, such as ad revenue sharing and branded partnerships. And that's it! With a TikTok UK account and a VPN, you can start earning money through TikTok's monetization programs. Remember to always follow TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service.